Hi, I'm Simanthini from Parenting Matters, and this video is going to talk a little bit about managing a routine with our children in these days. It's been almost a month now since we have found ourselves in this unusual position with the global pandemic and all of us indoors with our families and children. And it is summer, it is a summer break, and yet our children cannot go to the summer camps, they cannot even go for classes outside the home. In fact, unless we live in an independent house, our children may not even have the opportunity to go outdoors to play. We have our work, we have household chores, we have the additional responsibility of engaging our children indoors, and some schools have started virtual schooling, so we may need to support our children with that too. That's a fair load for any parent on any given day, isn't it? There are constantly messages all around us telling us how much extra time we now have and how we need to pick up that new hobby or do all those things that we have put up, and there is so much time for children to do all those things that you have always wanted them to do. But only you know what's right for your family and for your children. This time is like no other time. The stress and the anxiety of this time is very real for you and your children. You decide what you need for your family and for your child and work with that. Once you have decided what it is that you and your children need to do, it helps to have a routine in place. We are talking about a routine and not a micromanaged timetable, which can become an additional point of stress for both you and your children. A routine really helps give children a sense of order, a fair amount of predictability, and with that predictability comes a sense of safety for them. When they feel safe, their brains are more open to learning. So, how is a routine different from a timetable, you may ask? Well, a routine is more broad-based, so your day would be more broadly compartmentalized into say 4 or 5 categories like physical movement, academic work, life skills, so that's helping you with household chores, fun, and of course family time. And within each of these categories, you and your children could agree what activities they would like to pick. And this could be done either on a daily or a weekly basis based on the age of your children. Allowing our children to pick the activities of their choice under each category gives them a sense of control and a huge sense of ownership over their day. And this is crucial in this time where we've all felt a huge loss of control. When you're discussing these activities with your children, make sure that you also have a discussion about your non-negotiables. Now, this will vary from family to family. In one family, it may be a rule that everybody pitches in with the household chores. In another family, it may be that we need to spend time reading every day. So decide what your non-negotiables are and make sure you discuss those with your children. Also discuss what your limits on screen time are going to be. Once children have taken ownership of their activities, it helps them be more responsible towards, their commitments. Let them do more of what they like and do less of what they don't quite enjoy. And maybe for those activities, they could team up with a parent and, maybe both of you could have some fun together doing it. Some more generic notes as such around routines. These days seem to kind of roll into one another. We don't know if you're on a holiday or we don't know if we don't have any holiday. So make that distinction. Let your weekends and your weekdays have different routines, different schedules, just the way you would, if this was not a lockdown. During the summer break, many families choose to follow a different rhythm, a much slower pace. There is nothing stopping us from doing that even now. Some days will go beautifully just as you had planned and envisioned, and some days won't. Let it go. Let's take each new day as a fresh opportunity Don't add to your stress by making it a power struggle with your children. We don't have to go to every argument that we are invited to. So let's pick our battles, when we are not in agreement with how or what our children are doing. Everything doesn't have to be exactly the way we need it to be. If you need to, take a planned break from academic work and your work, just as you would if this was a regular summer break. You could say, hey, these 3 days or 5 days or 1 week, we're all going to be on holiday, and you could follow a holiday routine that your family may be used to. No matter how old our children, one thing is certain. Every one of them is going to have a memory of this time. So let's make the most of it and connect with our children every single day. Let that be part of our routine. We may connect with them over a game, over a snack, over a cold drink, over some series that they're watching, or maybe a movie that you enjoy together. And let's remember, each one of us is parenting to the best of our ability with the knowledge that we have.